Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu reports, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam commissioned me to watch over the zakat of Ramazan, sadqah fitr. So a comer came and started taking from the grains. I arrested him and said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will definitely take you to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He said, I am a needy and have children, and I am in dire need of it. So I released him. In the morning, the Prophet ﷺ said, O Abu Huraira, what did you do with your prisoner last night? He submitted, O Allah's Apostle ﷺ, he complained of dire need and the children dependents, so I felt pity and released him. He ﷺ said, he lied to you and will come again. I knew that he would appear as Allah's Apostle ﷺ said that he would come again. So I was on watch for him. He came again, and while he was about to carry the grains away, I caught hold of him and said, I will definitely take you to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He submitted, leave me, for I am a needy and have dependents. I will never return. So I pitied on him and released him. In the morning, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to me, Abu Huraira, how did you behave with your prisoner? I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he complained of being extremely needy and of the dependents. So I pitied on him and released him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, he lied to you. He will come again. So the third night, while I was awaiting for him, he came and started stealing the food stuff. So I arrested him and said, I will definitely take you to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, for it is last of the 3 times. Every time you said that you would not return, but you kept on coming. He said, leave me. I will teach you the words by which Allah will benefit you. I asked, what are those? He said, whenever you go to your bed, recite the verses of cheer up to the end. You will remain in Allah's protection throughout the night, and Satan will not be able to approach you till the morning. So I freed him. In the morning, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to me, what did you do with your captive of the night? I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he claimed to teach me the words by which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will benefit me. So I freed him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, what are those words? I submitted that. He said, whenever you go to the bed, recite Ayat al-Kursi, words of cheer from start to the end. You will remain in Allah's protection, and Satan will not approach you till the morning. And he was extremely avid for doing good deeds. The Prophet ﷺ said, he has spoken the truth, but is himself a liar. O Abu Huraira, do you know who has been talking to you for 3 days? He submitted, no. He ﷺ said, he was the Satan. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2311.